So what is your name, sir?
My name is Rakesh Shah, and I was facing a toothache problem since long back. And on 10th of August, I went to a doctor in my local place, and the doctor has checked my teeth and told to go in a Oromax for teeth X-ray. And doctor also told that I also told to doctor that I want to go for permanent remedy for implant. Then doctor told that okay, this can be possible in the conventional way, and that will take around not less than 6 to 8 months time for completing your dental implant. So that put me in a thinking that whether this much time is not actually possible by me. So later I started checking in the Google and Quora, and suddenly I saw Teeth Care Dental Multi-Speciality Center ad was there regarding 6 to 7 days your complete implant will be done with the special way.
With the fixed teeth.
With the fixed teeth. So immediately I contacted that particular Teeth Care multi-speciality clinic, and one lady, Dr. Arimita Chakravarti, picked up the phone, and I asked regarding what the system she is going to adopt for doing permanent implant. And she has told and motivated me, and I was also convinced. And the next day I came to the clinic, and she has checked my all teeth, and also Dr. Sanket Chakravarti was there. Both of them checked, and first sitting root canal, second one also root canal, and thereafter they did 9 in number implant on my upper gum.
Sir, how was your experience with the full implant placement, which was, I think, done in one single day?
Of course, that first the day my implant day was there, I was shivering and having a dual thought was happening in my mind that whether to go ahead or not. But when I came in the clinic, I saw like me one more patient was there. He was also he has also done his tooth implant. So I got confidence and I sit down on the dental chair, and both of the Dr. Sanket Chakravarti and Dr. Arimita Chakravarti started doing one by one drilling and fixing the titanium screw in a very professional manner without much any pain, and they started the job around 12 noon and they finished at around 17:30 evening time.
And how much was the pain, sir?
Pain was little pain was there at that time. Little pain was there, but that pain may be because of but that little pain was there, but that pain has gone vanished after by the time I reached my house.
Okay. And after the implant placement was done, in how many days we had given you or delivered you the full processes?
Then after they have taken the impression of my implant teeth, and they have fabricated a new teeth, and that took 3 days time.
3 days time. And now you are using the full processes with the implant. Is there any pain or any discomfort which you are facing at presently?
Not at all. I am fishing, and there is a very comfortable. I am finding myself, and the cosmetic way, and there is no issue on my teeth.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.